In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free transform in GIMP. We're going to walk through a quick, reliable way to resize, stretch, rotate, and move an image using GIMP's Unified Transform tool. This is perfect when you need to adjust a photo to fit a layout, straighten a shot, or fine-tune proportions without bouncing between multiple tools. Start by opening your image so you have something to work with. In GIMP, go to File, then Open, and select your image from your computer. Once it loads, you'll see it on the canvas, ready to be transformed. Next, choose the Unified Transform tool. You'll find it by going to Tools, then Transform Tools, and selecting Unified Transform. If you prefer shortcuts, press Shift+T to get there instantly. This tool brings several transforming actions into one place, so you can handle all your basic adjustments without switching tools. With the tool active, click directly on the image. You'll see a box with handles appear around it, which means the image is now ready for interactive editing. This box is your visual guide and control panel. Each part of it does something specific, and your cursor will change as you hover to help you understand what you're about to do. To change the overall size, drag any of the corner handles. This resizes the image as you pull outward or inward. Keep an eye on how the proportions look so you don't squash your subject unintentionally. If you only need to stretch in one direction, drag one of the edge handles. Pulling a side handle will stretch or compress horizontally. Pulling a top or bottom handle will do the same vertically. This is useful for fitting elements into a specific space or correcting small alignment issues. To rotate, move your cursor just outside a corner until you see the rotation indicator, then click and drag. This lets you tilt the image to straighten horizons or create a dynamic angle. Take it slow and watch the on-screen preview as you twist. To reposition the image on the canvas, drag from the center area to move it where you want it. Use this to nudge the composition or center your subject without changing its size or angle. When you're satisfied with the adjustments, press Enter to apply the transformation. Until you confirm, what you see is just a preview, so feel free to refine your changes before committing. If you apply and want to revert, you can always undo and try again. And that's it. You've just learned how to free transform in GIMP using one powerful, easy-to-use tool.